Hello. I'm continuing the chakra journey, fourth chakra. I was already there. So fourth chakra, chakra of the heart, of the love chakra, compassion, self-compassion. Yeah, compassion starts with self-compassion. So let's work on that. As usually, we're going to accompany this journey with self-massage and sound. So we're gonna start working on this area of your chest, allowing the air already to go all the way there. Once in a while, allowing sighing as that expression of the soul. Feelings, yeah, softening on this area. If at some point you want to stretch, you could do that too. Yeah, I'll do it also. I have my mic here, so I cannot do it that. Yeah, as always, you can press there towards the back. You can do it as I was doing it here, something more gentle and more like softening the area. Yeah, or you could do something like this to feel the opening. And that's the sound, right? And and this chakra is very I find it's very pleasurable with the sound, because you can really feel the resonators on your chest, and as you do it, you're gonna feel it more and more, and you can feel even the resonators all along your arms and your hands, and just enjoy that opening of your heart, that opening and enlarging of your compassion towards all beings, and first of all, compassion towards yourself. You can even place a hand on your back and feel also the resonances there, how it opens too. And on and on and on. It's this one, you can really enjoy it as long as you want, and so I hope you keep exploring it and you like it, and we see you on the throat, at the throat chakra.